Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hope you are good. Well, see, today we will start the data handling. Yeah, handling data. Okay, what is the data handling actual? See here. Data counting, data handling. Okay, actual data handling is data handling means grouping and counting objects. It makes organizing object easy. It also help in keeping record of objects. Data handling help us to present data in an easily readable manner. Hope you understand the data. So little bit deep we will go with the example, go through the book. Okay, dear all. So we will start from book, page number 171. See, data handling. Samu's mother has given clothes to the dhobi for earning. She has made a list of the clothes she has given him. List of clothes: shirt 4, pants 2, kurta 3, shirt 2. She checked the list. When the dhobi returned the cloth, it is okay. Somu sometime makes his favorite fruit salad. This is the list of the fruit he used. Here is the list for fruits for salad: orange 4, apples 2, pears 1, bananas 2, and grapes 1 bunch of grapes. So in this ball, see what is the missing. Check the fruit in the ball with the list. Has Shomu forgotten something? What? Yes, grapes. A list helps us organize informations about important things. Here another example is there. If you are making like this handling data, you are writing, then you will, if you want something like grocery or fruit, vegetables, you write in the paper and go to the shop to tally the things. If you forget anything, you just tick cross. So here is the Santosh keeps hens. Another examples for the data handling. Santosh keeps hens. He has made a list of the eggs he gets every day. Study the list and answer the questions. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. So on which day did Santosh get the least egg? Yani low. Sunday. On which day did he get the most eggs? Yani more. Saturday. On which 2 days did he get the same number of eggs? Check here, Tuesday and Thursday. How many more eggs did he get on Monday as compared to the Wednesday? Means check, Wednesday is 12 and Monday is the 15. So minus 15 minus 12 from 15. So answer is 3. Do this with a friend. Take runs to count value while hopping on one leg. You can do this one with your sister or brother. If the neighbor is there, you can do this one. Okay. Second exercise. Here some toys are there. So this is one more example for data handling. Match a list of the toys in Shomo's cupboard. So total, just first of all arrange. How many teddy bears? 1, 2 and 3. How many cars? 4. How many balls? 3. How many football? 1. How many bat? 1. So according to the list, just check how many more cars than teddy bears does Shomu have. Compare car to teddy bear. 1. How many toys in all does Shamu have in his cupboard? Total toys. Count here all toys. 12. And how many less bats than ball does Shamu have? See, balls are 3 and bat only 1. So 3 minus 1 equal to 2. Here this is the according to the families. So please you do as you like. This I can't help. You can do yourself. Ask, like you have elder sister, write 1 or 2, or brother. Okay, now come to the division. As you know, I explained little division to you today. So equal sharing. Division means equal sharing. Bansi has 4 pet puppies. She has 12 dogs, biscuits that she wants to share equally among them. How many biscuits will each pup get? First, Bansi put 1 biscuit in each bowl. She has 4 bowls and 12 biscuits. So first what she did? 1 1 1. Then she has left more. Then again second round she again put more 1 1. So before in one ball 1 1. Now that same ball it have 2 2 2. Now again she put one more because she got some, still has more left. Again she put, so each ball get 3 and total 4 balls. So each pup will get 3 biscuits because in one ball 3 biscuits, 4 total balls. So total 12 biscuits, distributing equal, sharing equal. When we share equal, we know how many groups are there and we are finding out how many in the group. Put 6 candle on 3 cakes, such as that such cake has the same number of candle. See, here's the 6 candles and 3 cakes. So first what we are doing, first we are taking 1 candle here, second candle here, third candle here. Now again the 3 candles are left. So again we are arranging, again we are putting 1 candle, 1 candle here, 1 candle. So each 6 share equal between 3 given 2 in a group. We can also read this 6 divided by 3 equal 2. Like that, here example, here is the share equal to, find how many for each. So here is the total 8 bananas and 2 plates. So each plate, put 8 bananas in 2 plates. So 4 bananas in each plate. Another is there a example, stick 8 mirrors piece on 6 diya. So 3 mirrors pieces on each diya. Another example, here is the cake, put 15 candles on 3 pastries. So 5 candles on each pastry. And last, here one more example, 12, put 12 bangles on 2 hands. So 6 bangles on each hand. This one homework for you. See, like this you cut and draw and share equal among. Share them equal by drawing below the pictures. So please complete this and share in WhatsApp. Thank you so much.